I'm so excited about my box that just came today. This is from Stationery Pal, and many of you might know how much I love stationery, pens, stickers, and paper. And I was so excited to do a collaboration with Stationery Pal. And I got to pick some really fun products that I'm going to share with you. When I looked at their website, I started getting really excited because there were some products that I thought were going to be perfect for my travel journal. So I'm going to open my box with you, and then I'm going to share with you how I'm going to use some of these products in a fun project. Okay, so let's dig in. Oh, this is so sweet. So first it just says thank you, and it has a fun little sticker when you open it. And you guys, can you see the bubble wrap has hearts? That is adorable. I love it. So cute. All right, so let's dig in and see what's in my box. So before I jump in and show you what I created with some of the supplies from Stationery Pal, I first want to just talk a little bit about what I take with me when I plan on traveling, and traveling with the purpose of also creating a traveler's notebook with details about our vacation. So you can see here, this one is my completed traveler's notebook. But when I was planning on what I wanted to take with me, it really kind of also depends on what kind of vacation you're going to take. So if you are traveling in the car, one of my favorite recommendations would be to grab like a Snapware set like this. I love the stackable and compartments of this kit. And so the traveler notebook can fit in here. You can add your washi tape, watercolors, your pens, and then categorize if you need Post-its, paper that you're taking, and stickers. But you can see all together, even with everything that I have here in this kit. Let me go ahead and close it so I can show you the entire thing. It's really not that much to take with you. So this would be a fun little container to take right in the car along with you, and you have everything kind of contained in here. The one thing I didn't add in would be actually my favorite little printer to take on the road, which is this little HP Sprocket. And I keep this in a little mesh bag. It's a little travel-on mesh bag. It fits perfectly. The printer, I usually have my charge cord in here and some extra film or photo paper. And it prints out these cute little photos. It's about a 2x3 and it is on sticker paper. The quality of this is not really keen, in my opinion. You know, I'm a stickler for really nice photographs, but it is completely convenient because it has the stickers right built into it. And so you can just add that right into your traveler's notebook. And for me, my notebook is really kind of more about documenting as we're going through our trip, and not necessarily it's going to be, you know, my showcase album. That is what I love to put in my creative memories albums and really go all out as far as the quality of photos. So if I were traveling on a plane and needed to downsize this, I would probably, and what I did for my Europe trip, I just took little pouches like this, little travel-on pouches, and I took my printer and just some really basic supplies along with me because I knew this was going to take up too much room in a suitcase. Okay, so now that I have all of my details worked out, I just kind of want to share, and you got a chance to see all the goodies that I got in my Stationery Pal box. I want to share a little bit about how I used some of those supplies and just how I put my traveler notebook together. So as I flip through my little album, I just want to have point out that it is, again, just a fun place to kind of let your creative side, your creative spirit go loose. But it's also, everything for me in this album is kind of on a miniature scale. So my photos are small. And that's one reason why I love these stickers that I got from Stationery Pal, because they are just the teeniest, tiniest, cutest little things that you ever saw. So you'll see as I flip through some of my pages, these are some of my favorite stickers to add in, and they're usually clear. They have a transparent background, and they come in all different kinds of themes and just different collections. And so it's kind of fun to look through and go, what could I add to my page? There are also some very specific travel related collections. And as I mentioned, you can find some of these on Stationery Pal's website. So you can see I've added like little coffee stickers in here, Bonjour Paris, but the cuteness and tininess of these stickers is kind of just what I love. It doesn't overwhelm the page, especially because we're working on such a small format here. I also love adding in all the washi tape and, you know, just journaling right in the book, as you can see. Part of our trip was the Baltic cruise. And so this, like I said, I did most of this when I got home. So I had a lot more supplies to kind of play around with, and I really was enjoying my stamps. So you'll see a lot of stamping as I went through and put this section of our trip together. you can see I've had a lot of fun just taking my little stash of stickers and extra little tidbits and adding them into my pages. It just creates that fun little extra detail to add some stickers or little extra journaling or stamps or washi tape that just finishes everything off. It just gives that little extra umph and detail to your page. And so we are finished now with the second part of our vacation. And I ended with just not only our trip to Brighton Beach, but also I wanted to kind of give a little reminder of just where we had gone. So I decided to print out this little map of our travel from London back home to here in the US, and realized I just couldn't get the orientation to work out right to put in my traveler notebook. And then I thought, oh, I can just create a little fold in there and make it just yet another fun interactive element for my book. So I've added that in as one of my last pages, put a little tab on it with an airplane on it, and then did my final journaling for the last page. I still have one more page left. I'm not sure what I'll do with that. I may go back in and add some more memorabilia or something fun like that. But that is my travel journal. Now, in case you are wondering the details about the traveler notebook that I decided to use, this is the brand that I got. It's Moterm. I was very pleased with the presentation. It came in this beautiful box, really very well protected in a sleeve, and it does also come with a stash of notebooks, and it also comes with extra bands to include and a fun little charm if you wanted to add that to the front of your notebook. So I hope you enjoyed this video and a little walkthrough of my finished traveler notebook. It's been such a fun project. And once again, a big shout out to Stationery Pal for collaborating with me and sending me some fantastic products to use in this project. It's been such a fun collaboration. And make sure to check out the links in this video because I have a surprise for you where Stationery Pal has lots of giveaways that they do on their site all the time. So you really do need to check it out. And I have a coupon code for you. So just be sure to grab that and you can save on your Stationery Pal order. Everything will be linked in the description of this video. I'll be sure to leave all those details so you can grab your own box from Stationery Pal and enjoy all the goodies they have to offer. Until next time, friends, I hope you take time to craft some joy. Bye for now.